Okay, the puppies are 4 weeks and 3 days, and I've started giving them puppy food. This is their third time having puppy food. They really like it. They took to it immediately. What I did is I got dry puppy food, it's IMs, and I added warm water. I mashed it with a masher, like mashed potatoes, and then I added puppy formula. And they just absolutely love it. So I'm going to put them down, and I'm going to show how they just feast on it. They really, really enjoy it. And they're very hungry. Because they're getting bigger, they're just not getting quite enough milk from mom. So here we go. Okay, guys, are we ready? Are we ready? Okay. Put this one here, this one there, that one there. Okay, here we go. And we've got a few of them that are... Okay, over here, guys. Over here. Oh, turn around. Turn around. We got a couple bowls of food here. Right here. Here we go. Get in there. Get in there. Get in there. Come on. There's plenty on this side. Okay, you're on the wrong side over there, kiddo. Okay, I'm going to help him out. You got it? You got it in? I got a little tiny bowl there. That one was actually designed for my little runt, but it didn't work out today. Just wanted him to make sure he gets in. They seem to be doing good on their own. There's more on this side, guys. Yeah, I'm going to put you over here. Hey, you. I'm going to put you right there. There's more there. All right. Yummy. Boy, they sure eat it fast. And you can do this twice a day. After, I would say after the first feeding in the morning. Let them rest a little bit, and then proceed with the baby food. I mean, with the puppy food, and then again, I'd say about 5 o'clock, like the dinner time, is a good one too. After they nurse, they can rest up a little bit, which they usually like to do. They play, they rest, then let's say wake up after about an hour. They can have their puppy food, but they really enjoy it. As you can see, they eat it up so quickly, and just I think they really are enjoying it. Their puppy food. Okay, all done. And what I'll do in my next video is I will show how I got this food ready for them, because I really had to watch a couple different things on it, do some reading, talk to the vet. I almost had the wrong food. I almost got this. I had a baby food or puppy food that was meaty, chicken, like shredded chicken, and really they did not have that. So, and I thought, no, this isn't gonna work. I have to make it more like paste, so it wasn't gonna work. So dry food with warm water, let it sit for a while, and that's what I did it, and then mash it, and then add the formula. But I've seen other ways too, with it. You can get some powdered thing that you do. But this worked for us. This was probably the cheapest way to go, and still very healthy. Alright. Alright, guys, you're all done. Yeah. And this time what I did is I fed them their puppy food first, and then I'm going to let them wait a little while, and then they're going to nurse. I'm going to try it that way this time. Maybe they won't be so hard on Mom, because they've been tugging at her, scratching her, and she doesn't even want to come in anymore. Okay. All right. Oh, hello. Okay. I'll put on the next feeding. All right. Tune in later. Bye.